So today is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing. It is October's Boxycharm. It is super late this month. I am literally shooked that it took this long to get here. I do know that they're changing some things up though. They are adding new things. It's getting more expensive. Luckily I pay 6 months in advance. I think it's going up to like 23 American dollars, I think. Honestly, I'm not sure. I just do know that it's going up a little bit. So anyway, this is October's Boxycharm. If you guys are new, welcome to my channel. And if you guys are not new, welcome back and thanks for joining us. And if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and then click the notification bell so you're getting all the notifications of when my upcoming videos are coming out. If you guys want to see what I got in, oh, it's making noise, this month's Boxycharm, then just keep watching.
But you brought out my feelings. I got problems and issues. You stepped in, but how did you? Fixing my heart. I feel so whole when I'm with you. I mean, October was over and I still was up in it.
So I do know one of the items in this box, and it is because I ended up having to pick it. They now send you an email saying, oh, here you go, pick what you want out of these 2 items. So I do know one of the items. So this is what it looks like this month, and number 24. That's the variation I have, and I don't know. Okay, so it's called After Dark. So it does tell me everything that's in here, so I'm gonna ignore that. Start with this. Okay, so I did see a sneak peek for something in here, but let's get to the after. So this is the first item in my box, and this is from Touch in Soul, and this is the packaging. It's really cute and sparkly and shiny, and this is the Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm. And Touch in Soul is actually a Korean brand, I think. There's a lot of Korean written on here, so yeah, I'm assuming that's what it is. This is what the packaging looks like. It's super cute, and that is what it looks like. There isn't a lot of product in here. That's pretty crazy. There is definitely a lot more product in the other one, I think. That's not very much. How many ounces is this? It's 1.5 ounces. That is not a lot for it. So this is a $32 product. It is an ultra hydrating priming skin balm. It says it's got sensational smooth texture that melts into your skin and creates an ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day. Okay, now let's just try this out here. So it's just a white consistency, and it's just like that. It smells really nice. Honestly, it kind of just looks like cream. So we'll see about that one. Up in here is, I'm gonna grab this here, and this is from Jonteblu. And this is a lip liner pencil, and this is called Red Hot. Obviously, it is red. I am going to, just gonna do a swatch for you. That is on the cream, so that is what it looks like. I am actually wearing a Jonteblu lip liner right now, and I think it's called Brown Sugar. I'm okay with them. I'm not really super impressed with them. They are pencil liners. They're not super creamy, but they're also not like the worst pencil liners I've ever used, so that is okay. I think that's a $7, nope. This one's a $5 liner, huh? Yeah, okay then. Let's hope that there's some better stuff in this box. Sorry, I just need to stay hydrated. All right, let's grab the next one in here. This is from Iconic London. This is a lip plumping gloss. I think it's called Nearly Nude. This is what the applicator, the lip brush looks like. I'm just gonna test it out. Oh no, that is a weird brush. It kind of curves. I don't know if you can see that. Kind of does this. Kind of does this curvy thing, so we'll see. It's got a little bit, I think it's mint in it. It's not bad though. The Iconic London Lip Plumping Lip Gloss is $26. That's not too bad. The last 2 items are both wrapped, and the eyeshadow palette first. So this is from Dose of Colors, and this is called Baked Brown. So there were a bunch of different colors you could get. I kind of wasn't hoping for this one at all. I was actually hoping I was gonna get a different one than this one, just because like I have a lot of brown makeup. So these are the colors of the eyeshadows that I got. They are brown, obviously. And then it comes with this itty bitty little brush here. This is it's very thin. I don't know how well the brush is gonna work, but these are all mattes, I think. So this one is Tea Light. Oh, you can see it right here. So it's Tea Light, Deserted, Outdoorsy, Cherry Wood, and Rock Bottom. I don't know if I really want to do swatches for you guys. I mean, not that I don't want to give you swatches, but I don't know if I'm going to keep this. I don't own anything else from Dose of Colors other than lipsticks, but I really wanted to test out their eyeshadow palette, but I really don't know if I want any more brown eyeshadow palettes. I am trying not to be a hoarder of eyeshadows. I don't really reach for any brown eyeshadow very often. That is the Dose of Colors one. Like I said, I was really hoping for a different palette, but what can you do? This is what happens when you have a Boxycharm and you can't really tell them what you want, right? Okay, so this is a $32 palette. So, and then the last thing in here, I was kind of excited to get actually when I'm very happy that I got this. This is the Paulas Choice Skincare, and this is the exfoliant. This is Skin Perfecting 2% BHA liquid exfoliant with salicylic acid, I think it's called. It's for all skin types. It unclogs pores and shrinks them, smooths and evens tones, and it's lightweight liquid. So that is the container. Apply on face with a cotton pad, do not rinse. So it's kind of like a toner, I guess. So the Paula's Choice product this is a $30 product? Holy Toledo. Okay, all right, let's open this. Oh yeah, so it's like a totally toner bottle. Yeah, it doesn't really have a smell, so that's not bad. Tally it up how much this box was worth. It's $124.50 apparently. So honestly, that's not too bad. That was everything in this month's After Dark Boxycharm. All right, well, I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.